Matter of fact, let's throw it in here. Throw it in here. So right now I gotta get a new visor, but I am using my Spider carbon fiber helmet. I put up a quick little rig on here to kind of see the visuals on it because but the thing is about this one is that I hope it picks it up, but I have it hooked up wirelessly to my Shark, which is great because then now I can just talk like this without having the wires, which is great. But I am still gonna buy the. Come on. I am still going to buy the DJI for the Ace Pro 2. I'll review that, but I'm gonna eventually review everything that I have: the GoPro 2. I'm sorry, the GoPro Hero 13 and the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. So we'll see what happens. I'm loving it thus far, you know. Hopefully in the next month or two, probably in a month, I can start doing on reviews on motorcycles and things like that. That's why I kind of want to do that anyway. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I still get with this scooter. I don't know why. Maybe because I just haven't ridden a bike in a while. I still get like target fixation, which is crazy. Which I've been riding motorcycles for a minute. I shouldn't be doing it, but for some reason, I don't trust these tires, dude. I just don't. But you know, I pray that I'm always safe, and I pray that everyone's safe on the road all the time, honestly. But yeah, we're gonna go to the mall real quick. I gotta make a purchase. I have to actually make. I have to purchase. I gotta purchase. I gotta buy a webcam. Yep. I gotta buy a webcam. So I'm gonna go to a local mall here. I hope they have it. I don't want to go any further. I just didn't realize. I haven't worn this carbon fiber helmet in a minute. I didn't realize that when the vents are open, you really feel the air. Now, this bike in general, I wouldn't trust the brakes, dude. There's brakes, but I gotta do a lot of work to this bike for me to trust it. You know what I'm saying? I gotta redo the brakes, as in, I gotta do the brakes in a way where I might get nicer pads, and because the pads are not worn out, but I think they can do better. So it's roughly about 12, generally speaking. I usually get home by 4, but lately, been in and out of the house because I'm trying to work. I'm trying to work some things out in the for the business. So yeah. So hopefully, like these views that show you, this is like coming out subdivision, and it's coming out of subdivision and going into the city of. I'm kind of weird with this area because some parts are still Buhangin and some parts are Tigato. I think to the right over there is Tigato or Tigato. I think that's what they call it. But and another part is Mandog, which my address is like Mandog and Buhangin, which is still weird, dude. It's a weird geographical area. It's one of those. Comment down below if you guys live in an area where it's like it's like the boundaries of multiple areas. Because it's weird. Because if I tell people in the office I'm from Mandog, which is technically where I'm in, they're like, "Oh my word, that's so far." But then if I tell them I'm Buang, and I say that's far, but it's not that far. So I mean, yeah, kids playing. Actually, I think next month, my nephew is gonna be coming here to go to school. So that should be fun. Should be fun. Ooh, look at that X Max. I'm not a big. I think this is big enough for me already. Because I mean, I'd just rather buy a big bike to be honest with you. Something over 600 cc. Even Tippy-toe at I've been looking at the CF Moto 500 Boom or 500 SR Boom. I really like that bike to be honest with you, only because it's an inline four, which is nice. It is a 500 cc, which kind of gives me that it's bigger than 400. Love the sound. The aesthetics of it, I like. That's probably one of the main reasons I like that bike. The aesthetics of it. 'Cause it reminds me, honestly, it reminds me of my old FZR 400. To be honest with you, it reminds me of my old FZR 400. I sat on it one time and I'm like, oh, this feels familiar. Another aesthetic that I like about it is the like semi under tailpipe. It is under the tail, but not like a Panigale or like a 600 double R's, Honda CBRs. But I mean, I like it in general. You know what I'm saying? It's nostalgia. That's what I probably have to. It's just nostalgic when I look at this thing. So I'm like, man, it's pretty cool. Now, what I'm hoping with this Shark setup right here is that it doesn't sound robotic. Now, with CapCut, I might be able to work on it and things like that, but I don't want it to sound too robotic, to be honest with you. See what happens. Whoops. Little divots here and there. Oh, 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 oh. There's this property for sale over here that I want to inquire on, honestly. Oh no, did it get bought already? Shit. Oh, that one's for sale. I would buy that property. Now, you just gotta be careful with stuff here, dude. I just gotta be careful driving here. You just never know, dude. If I have enough time, I do want to just wash this car, wash this motorcycle. It's just dusty as hell, to be honest with you. I've actually never washed it since I got it. And I think the previous owner barely washed it. This was his service. So, I don't want to take care of it. That way, I come to think of it, I bought some parts already to start fixing certain plastics and stuff like that. I bought the plastic welder and everything like that. So I bought a plastic welder. Now what I'm going to end up doing is, I'm going to open it up, fix it from the back. I bought some Bondo too, so I'll put the Bondo on there. Essentially, I'm just going to Bondo it, sand it down, get it prepared, and decide whether I'm going to paint it or wrap it. Because I do want to stay close to the colors that I have. And I'm still trying to figure out certain things that I want to fix on here. For instance, like, I don't know if you see, just aesthetic wise, I want to polish things up and things like that. So it's just one of those things right now. I just want to clean it up. And I just, I don't care if it's old, Chinese, new, the big four. It's just something for me to do, to be honest with you. So we're gonna go to City Gate. This is called City Gate in it's owned by Gaisano. Big family when it comes to oh, my man's sleeping. So my man's sleeping. I'm trying to take the elevator here. I'm trying to find a spot here where I can park in the motorcycle area. Are there any more spots? I don't know. Oh, right there. Perfect. Let's get going. Pick up leave my gloves here. Get my wallet. I am wanting to potentially